Hi there, Juliana Tomasek from julianatomasek.com, and I have another little computer skill for you today. Again, I'm using Microsoft Office Word. However, this skill does translate to several other programs, and it's very handy to know. What we're going to do right now is we are going to learn how to make your font bigger. So suppose I'm going to make this into like a title page on a report or something. I can highlight the text I want to make larger, and I can go over here from the home page. You see the little number. The font size on this is 22, and I'm going to change it to 72. All right. Now suppose I want to make this part smaller, right? Because I just do. I can highlight that portion, go up here and make it, I could make it 28. All right, so there you go. That's how you could make words larger and smaller. And I'll show you how to center everything in a different video. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and check out my other videos. Got all kinds of goodies there, how to do different things. Again, thanks for watching.